Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be rebuilding these local jumps. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's get into it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So first up, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rebuild this hole because someone's decided to dig right into it and build an up ramp here. So I'll leave the up ramp here and just fix this hole up. What happened now is I've just moved all the dirt. I've given it a little shape. It's just a patch. I haven't really tried to fix it up properly. Right now we're gonna do the up ramp. So at the moment I've only got half of the set filmed while we were cleaning it up, and now I'm just gonna hit left set and then you guys can see.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So that's the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. If you want me to do a part 2, comment down below. and I'll see you in the next video.